Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do pretty much a whole house clean. I'm not sure I'm going to get into my bedroom today, but the rest of the house we're going to clean. And I'm going to take you along for the journey. And obviously we're starting out here in my kitchen. Now my kitchen, this is a little bit of a story time, but I got a new pantry for my kitchen. I ordered it from Wayfair and it came, I put it together, and the manufacturer of the pantry did not put the pantry together or did not prep the pantry to be put together properly. There's parts of it that were like the sides of it, instead of them doing the top and the bottom, they flipped it. So the top is actually the bottom on the other side. It's a mess. And I'll probably show you in this video. If I open up the pantry and I have it on camera, you're going to see it like sway. It's a mess. So I called Wayfair, and I can't say that I complained. I just told them that I was upset with the manufacturer, not with Wayfair. It's not their fault. They didn't make this. And they were so kind, and they are sending me a brand new one so I can put it together and it will be a solid functioning piece of cabinetry in my kitchen. So I love it, but it's not right. Anyway, so that's the video that was supposed to go up today, was my kitchen remodel, but it didn't. So I'm now, because my kitchen is a freaking train wreck, because the one cabinet that was sitting here was full of appliances and all kinds of stuff. So now I'm reorganizing my entire kitchen. So once I get it clean, we'll do a little kitchen tour that's supposed to be in the kitchen makeover video, but that video is on hold until I get the new one, we get it put together. That's where I'm rambling. Okay, so you get the point. But I'll show you some things in the kitchen that I've organized. So it's a little bit of a kitchen organization, clean with me video. So anyway, if you are new here, my name is Yvette, and I share cleaning videos. Not just me cleaning, but also I do product reviews and tell you about different products, things that are safe for our pets, stuff like that. Before I forget, I also have a website. So make sure you head over there as well. There's also more information. I have a blog on that website. I'm going to start putting all my links for my videos, things I show will be over there. So check out my website, and also always make sure you check that description box. I try to always remember to list other videos that you might be interested in. So in that being said, I'm going to shut my mouth now, play a little bit of music, and I'm going to clean. So you sit back, drink your coffee, relax, and if you haven't already, while you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and please help me out. It really helps my channel if you hit that like button. That helps me a lot. So I really appreciate the support by hitting that like button and that subscribe button. That helps me keep going and making more videos for you guys. All right, I'm shutting up now. All right, here I go. I'm going to clean. go ahead and give you a little tour of the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around. There's quite a bit, there is quite a bit of things that still need to be done in the kitchen. But like I said, I'm losing energy, so it can get done tomorrow. I mean, it's just put away some appliances and some other things that I need to put away now that I'm organizing. So we'll do that tomorrow. All right. Anyway, to flip you around. All right. I have Pandora's Treats here. That recipe box has all my mom's recipes, and I have a solution to get that off my counter. So that is coming. And then I just put that plant there. And then I did these cabinets. I got these, I don't know what you call those, but anyway, I got these so I can have my plates on the bottom, these little dishes up here. And then I have the small plates, that. And then all my baking stuff is up there. And I'll show you the other side. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. Pandora, Mom is tearing the house down. And then I have all that up there. And the nice part about this is my coffee area. I have my Nespresso and the pods. And then my coffee maker. And then these bars, although they look like they're not coffee related, they're just a nice little caffeine filled snack. One of those bars is the same as having a cup of coffee. So I'm guessing, like, as I'm working, that might be a nice snack to have. Anyway, they're not really keto friendly, but, and then I have a vase that has some Twizzlers in it that I got when friends of mine were here. They gave me those. They had went to a restaurant and the restaurant had given them all those. So I put them in a vase and have them there in my kitchen. So a little sweet treat if I grab a coffee or a tea or something, I have that. And then this cupboard, I have all my coffee mugs, well, cups for my iced coffee. Not my mugs, but my cups. And then some of these plates and stuff I need to integrate over to the other side where I showed you, but it just has not happened yet. So I have some glasses, some more plates, and then up here I have like corn holders or whatever, gravy boat, and ice cream container. My dishes are all my mom's, and okay, all the dishes are my mom's. So when she passed away, I got them, and she literally bought every single piece that they offered. If they offered something, she bought it. So I have everything. It's a lot. And I've thought about downsizing it, but I just, in my heart, I don't know if anyone else is like this, I just can't get rid of it. So anyway, so that's so far as where we're at. And then I have little appliances that I need to put away. So we're going to go ahead and go into the living room and start in there.
like